Alright. Happy Tuesday evening, everybody. This is going to be a stash and shop card video. Hopefully this turns out okay. You can hear me well. But let's see. Where's that other one? Start out with the couple medallions. Got this one from Cliff. That's for the motorcycle group build that I'm doing back here that I should have done before the end of the year. And the second one, this thing's awesome. Got this from old Tom. Yeah, got that Saturday morning before we went to ACME, or the event. So this next one, model roundup at their booth. They were when you purchased a kit or whatever, you got not only it's a button and a sticker on the back here, which just a couple stickers. I need to put them on my wall here. But you get these, and that's okay. It's still wrapped. They also had these nice bags, limited bags that you can carry your kits. I think it's pretty cool. So got one of those. Luckily I did, because they ran out pretty fast. So, and met quite a few people. Another one, Ed, Hatmaker, and Ernie. Both were awesome to meet you both again. And put that one down. Went and got a couple of shop cards. Yeah, great. Move your hand out of the way. There we go. Yeah, got those from him. Hope to see you again next year, both of you. And this one, I was really happy to meet him. Oh, Dylan. Yep. NYS modeling. So yeah, got a shop card. Very awesome. Happy to meet you, Dylan. Hope to see you next year. Yeah, if you're able to make it. And Terry 2 over at Super Sport. Yeah, Super Sport Model Shops. Yep. Had dinner with him Saturday evening. Rode with him. Me and Tammy did. Rode with him over to Marietta. I can't remember the whole name of the restaurant. But it was pretty freaking cool. Good eating. Had a great time with everybody. There was 27 or 28 of us there. And another one. Y'all know him. Captain Nemo. Got his new shop card. Spent quite a bit of time with him. And his early Christmas card. Pretty cool. And also, this guy I've been wanting to get his shop card for a while. Rusty Rotors there. Nice guy. Sat down with him, shot the bull with him. Me and Tammy was in with what is Ernest's woman's name? Was it Kat? Yeah, Kat. Ernest came in every once in a while, like me, and dashed back and forth, acquiring kits. So yeah. Tammy and her hit it right off. And we also went to Hobbytown late Friday afternoon. So, and this is one of the things I got. It is, it's a razor saw, but it comes with a handle. Yeah, I won't blame Fred for this, but he was there asking a guy about it for a couple other people. You know, pointing at what he uses, and I was like, I wanted to get this because last year, this guy, Nemo, he bought a couple, and yeah, wish I would have done it then, but I got it, so I'm good for a while. Oh, along with that, let's see if I can find what I got over there. Probably not. It's a big jumble here. I know I had it here. It was... Anyway. Oh, there it is. One of them. Put you there for right now. Yeah. Yeah, I got quite a few to go through, guys. I'm trying to do a balancing act here. Yeah. Oh. These are the two that I picked up at Hobbytown. Yep, it's the Nissan Fairlady Z, the 300ZX 2-seater. Yeah. And as far as I know, it does come with an engine. As far as I know. I haven't, it's still sealed, I haven't opened it up. And then I picked up this, 34 Ford pickup 3-in-1 kit. I'm probably going to do the tow truck one. Maybe. I don't know. That looks pretty good too. There we go. Hopefully that's good. So, yep. Let's start me a little stacking pile here. Oh. And not only from ACME, but the Wednesday following ACME, we had a drawing, Halloween drawing, I guess you call it. And I was the second lucky winner. Yeah. I got the Michael Myers Halloween kit. And that's what it looks like. I'm sure many of you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Very lucky, very happy to win that. That's really cool. But yeah. And before I get into what I got from ACME itself, I acquired this one from Tommy. Yeah, Gundam GX 9901-DX. It's a Gundam XX. Yeah. Yeah, big box. Lots and lots of parts. So, yeah. Let me try to get these easier ones out of the way. When I do say try, I may have to pick it up for these. Yeah, I'm gonna hold off on the big ones just yet. I'll get to those because two of these back here I got from Papa Dan. The first one I had ordered 4 or 5, maybe 6 months ago, and this other one just above it worked out. It was a good deal. We wheeled and dealed. It didn't take much arm twisting for me to go along with it, and you all see. Let me start with this. And these gonna be, these I'm doing now will be the ones I got from ACME. I've lost count of how many there are, but Citron DS19 would be the first one. Yep. Doors, hood, and I believe the trunk opens. Here's your body. It's different. Oh yeah, and the roof, I guess, opens up too. I don't know. I briefly looked at it. Everything is sealed in the bag. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I've never heard of this company, Plastic Kit, EBBR, Eber, or something like that. It's 1/24 scale. That's what it's supposed to look like when you got it built. Another picture there for y'all. Again, I'm not going to try to make this a long video, but I've got a bad feeling it will be. And this one, I've never seen this kit before. 48 Ford Custom Coupe 3-in-1. It's the special edition series. There we go. Darn thing has 4 different grills you can use. Yeah, I think it's pretty neat. Alright. Following suit, 32 Ford 5-window coupe. It's the special edition series also. I'm sure you've all seen these before. Pretty nice. And this is just, I guess it just came out. It's not special edition. And I did not know that I'd already gotten another one, but another 32. New tooling, supposedly. So I'm eager to see what is new, what the new tooling is. Yeah. Let's see. 127 parts on that one. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more. Yeah, 187 in that one. Being that you know it's a 2-in-1, and this is just one version, but I love the window. Yeah, it's definitely different than that. That is really nice, and I don't think it has that type of window. Tom, you would know. Rick, Fred, Jethro, Charlie. Yeah. I got quite a few of these guys here. I had a truck binge thing going on here. And each one of these, the doors, both doors, well, all three of them, the doors all open. Hood, tailgate, of course. Got a 56 Ford F100 pickup. I thought that's pretty cool looking. Love the fire decals. Goes all the way around the darn thing. Really beautiful truck. That might be something maybe built for ACME next year. I like that the decal there on the back of the bed cover. Hopefully it's going in. It's coming in very well. Clear for y'all. Let me see. Try to make room here real quick, y'all. There we go. All right. These next two are old Revell model kits. Let's see. Yeah, this is going to be a 1974 edition here. Matthew, if you're watching this video, I think you're going to like it. These two were at the front steps as you come down. There's an old fella with the table